In this program, we use command line arguments to perform addition. Command line arguments are the values which are passed to the program when it is executed. These values are received in the string array of the main method. This is the entry point of every Java program. Since command line arguments are stored in strings, we cannot directly perform operations on them. So we use a method integer.parseInt to convert the string data into integers. The method signature of the main method contains the arguments in array format, and we can use arguments.arrayLength to help us determine how many values the user has passed to the command line. After this, we'll be converting values into integers and add them to display the result. If more than 2 or less than 2 values are entered, we print a statement to enter exactly 2 numbers in command line arguments, and we return. Let's run this program. Passing arguments 10 and 5, we get the sum as 15. In this program, we will be understanding the method parameters. We create two methods. One will modify the primitive variable and one will modify an array. Both these methods are called from the main and only one value will be changed. We also have the method signature with us. One will have the parameter of primitive integer type and the other will have an array. We must note that whenever a primitive value is passed to a method, a copy of its value is sent from the main. So when this method is called, the value is passed but not the reference of the memory. So whatever changes made inside this method will not be reflected. But on the other hand, if we have passed an object or an array variable, the changes made will be reflected in the memory because the reference of the memory is passed over here. Let's debug this and understand deeper. Initially, we have a number variable which stores 5. This is of primitive type. Passing the value of num5, even after the method is called, the original value is not updated. The next variable we have here is a reference variable, that is an array. So here the copy of the memory is passed. So when we call the method update array, the value 5 will be changed to 15. The output can be viewed on the console. 5 is changed to 15.